Okay, so today I'm going to show you what's in my raw food fridge. Let me remind you that some of this stuff isn't mine. My other family members live here, so I kind of get a section of the fridge where I can put all my stuff. So I have some hemp seeds, which I sometimes eat. They're certified organic, Manitoba harvest hemp seeds. They're organic. They're pretty good to put on like salads and stuff and whatnot, or just to eat. Sometimes I just like to eat them. I have my kale. This is my organic kale. It's organic and it's a lot. I like to juice my kale along with my cucumbers and my celery. I have my organic romaine, which is clearly lacking, but I bought some new stuff over here just now. I usually buy these organic romaine hearts. Have another bag right here. So I usually eat about one of these bags or two of the romaines, depending on money and how much I have, because these are not necessarily the cheapest things. Here I have my cilantro. I like to juice my cilantro. And I have my curly parsley here. So, back to the fridge, I have all my zucchinis. I love to make zucchini pasta and make sauces with like mango or tomato. I can't eat a lot of tomatoes because I get really itchy after I eat a whole bunch. Here's my organic celery. I love celery, it's so good. I have my organic, this is a huge box of spinach, and then mixed leaves. And in here I just have like more stuff, like some green onions, organic. I think everything in here is organic. My dill, and I think that's it for produce. Of course, I emphasize the fruit. So, hi Pushta. This is my cat. He's very old. Okay, so here is my fruit. I have my cantaloupes for the morning, or my melons, and my watermelons. The large watermelons right now are not around. This isn't exactly the best place to live on 80-10-10, but that's okay. I do what I can. I have a whole bunch of lemons I like to put in my juices. I have my avocado, which again, I don't eat a lot of fat. I don't feel the best when I eat a lot of fat, but I include it every now and then for dinner and stuff. My pomegranates, these are not organic. I cannot find organic pomegranates. And these are actually Mandarin organic oranges, and they're super yummy. They were actually only $1.99 for 3 pounds. It was a sale. So I got just a whole bunch of these boxes. I bought 5 of them, so I filled up my bowl. This is a plantain that I'm waiting to go completely black so that I can actually eat it. Here are my organic Spartan apples. I like to eat those sometimes before dinner or with dinner on a salad. Here is bananas, and of course more bananas. They're ripening really nice. And over here I have more bananas. So I I think what I have now will probably last me 1.5 weeks. So next week I'm going to have to go buy another big box of bananas. I didn't get to buy papayas because there were none, although I absolutely love papayas. So that's basically that. Get your fruit on, and I hope you have a wonderful day.